Hi. So unfortunately, we are supposed to be only one day away from closing, but due to the fact that the compressor is not working on the AC, like how the AC not gonna be working on the house? Like, for real? Okay, he wanted to be in the scene. Mr. wanted to be in the scene. Let me get the leash off me. Damn. Okay, can I take the leash off? Okay, y'all, hey. Hey, y'all, hey, this Mr. This Mr. over here. He acting a little extra because he wanted to be in the scene. I had to switch out my stand. Get y'all right with the new stand. So, yeah, I like this stand. It's sitting us up a little higher, just a little bit higher. Now, don't be licking off my makeup that she just put on there now. Don't be licking off Chanel now. Don't be doing that now. But yeah, so fix my focus and stuff, y'all. Okay. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay. All right. Well, anyways, I ain't got long, but I want to show you guys really quick. Let me bring the focus back a little bit. There we go. I want to show you guys real quick some of the things I got at Ulta. So first are the brow pencils that she used on my brows. These are the e.l.f. pens or pencils that we got today at Ulta. Then they had this Hourglass, which Hourglass I didn't know because, again, I'm not a makeup girly. I'm just becoming one. The Hourglass mascara was really good. I love the way it felt. The brush was really good on my lashes and actually helps your eyelashes grow, from what she told me. So I decided to get Hourglass. What else did we get? We got us some Chanel, y'all. Chanel, this is the cream. So this is the primer that I'll be using before I apply my makeup. So Chanel primer from Ulta. Then we have MAC Mineral, and I just liked how light this felt after we put on all the makeup versus some of the other powders. We started with another powder and just was real cakey, but this mineral powder was really great. She said all MAC powders are always a go-to. And then Milani for bronzer. So this is like for the nose contour. So, and this was like buy one get one 50% off. So Milan got buy one get one 50% off at Ulta. Then Chanel again. We have Chanel. This is the liquid foundation. So I really love their foundation. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like Chanel like that, but Chanel goes off. I was almost about to get their lipstick duo, but that was like another $52. So we're gonna come back after closing, okay? Get some of the other stuff, but great deals up in there. And then I got a Natasha Denona Eye Sculpt palette with all like nudes, but then some fun glittery colors in here too. But this is gonna be like my everyday palette to wear as far as eyeshadows. Like even this, what I have on right now, this is like an everyday wear face that I can do as a realtor, professional, you know, dog mom, late 30s girly, still out here looking like a snack, you know, wanting to just go out and have fun. And then last but not least, I got a lipstick. So this was kind of like the mix of, or the match between the Chanel that was like $52. Like they had a lipstick that was like this similar in Chanel, but if you were looking for something more cost friendly, NYX is always gonna get you there. So, and that's what I got, and my total came to $488 up in there. But that was because she is still charging for the MAC, so or not the MAC, the Chanel lipstick. I was like, girl, and then I saw it in my bag, so took that back in there. Got my $55 back, so it was a little more like $430. But that was great. You know, sometimes you gotta treat yourself, and this was kind of like my closing gift in advance, because when you think about it, I probably could have spent $200 to get my makeup done once, but with all of these items that I have right here, I'll be able to do my makeup over and over again. So the way I look at it is I've saved myself what, over $1,000, because now I can do my makeup over and over again. Can go in there and get free tips from homegirl, because she's literally 20 minutes up the street from me and she works there. So, and go get more products when I need it. And I probably, because I spent $400, raised up hella discounts with Ulta today, you know. So anyways, now I need to find a look for tonight to go listen to some jazz music and you know, get a nice little meal before it gets too late. So yeah, that's the plan for tonight.